Hi, I'm Rich Hitchman. I'm Senior Scientist here at Holts Research and Development Centre, and today I'm going to talk to you about SEALit. Leaking cooling system? Problem solved with Holts SEALit. SEALit is a professional multifunctional leak repair product suitable for all cars. The simple pour and go, no clogging formula works through the entire engine and cooling system, seeking out leaks to create a professional, permanent repair in a matter of minutes. SEALit is easy to use. Simply pour and fix with no need to drain or flush the system, turning leak repairs into a quick job.